The smartphone is dead. Or at least, the smartphone as you've known it for the last decade is. For years, we've played a game of incremental updates. A slightly better zoom, a slightly faster chip, a slightly flatter screen. We've been bored. You've been bored. But today, the cycle of boredom officially ends. Behind the closed doors of Samsung's R&D labs, something has been created that doesn't just compete with the iPhone. It makes the very concept of a handheld phone feel like a relic of the past. Welcome to the era of the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you're holding an S23 Ultra, an S24, or even the recently released S25, I need you to listen very closely. You are currently holding a piece of history. The S26 Ultra isn't just a phone. It is the world's first true AI agent. We're talking about a device that doesn't just wait for your input. It anticipates your life. We are diving deep into the 2nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 revolution. The privacy display that makes screen protectors obsolete, and a camera system that officially fires your professional DSLR. If you care about where your money goes, and if you care about the future of human-tech interaction, do not click away. Every minute of this deep dive is a piece of the puzzle you need to understand. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the silicon. In the tech world, process size is everything. For the first time in mobile history, the S26 Ultra is shifting to a 2nm architecture with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. Why does this matter to you? Because we are finally hitting the thermal ceiling. This chip isn't just 20% faster, it's 40% more efficient. This means the S26 Ultra can run at full throttle for hours without getting hot, without throttling, and without killing your battery by noon. We're seeing benchmarks that don't just rival the Apple A19. They rival the M4 chips found in professional-grade iPads. This is a workstation in your pocket. But power is nothing without a canvas. Samsung has reigned supreme in displays for years, but the S26 Ultra introduces the Flex Magic Pixel technology. We are looking at a 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel that hits a staggering 3,500 nits of peak brightness. You could be standing in the middle of the Mojave Desert at high noon, and this screen would look like it's glowing from within. But the real killer feature is the integrated privacy display. Imagine sitting on a crowded flight to New York or a subway in DC. With a single toggle, the viewing angles of your screen physically lock. To you, it's a brilliant, vivid 6K experience. To the person sitting next to you, it looks like a black, powered-off slab. No more shoulder surfing. No more privacy screen guards. It's built into the glass. Now let's talk about the design, because Samsung has finally listened to the critics. The S26 Ultra is 0.3mm thinner, yet it feels more substantial. The pill-shaped camera island is the first major aesthetic shift since the S21. It's symmetrical, it's aggressive, and it screams pro. But the real story is the titanium grade 5 frame. It's lighter than the S25, coming in at just 214 grams, but it's twice as rigid. This is a phone designed to survive the world, not just a desk. But we have to talk about the cameras. This is why you buy an Ultra. The 200-megapixel HP2 sensor has been completely overhauled with a new f/1.4 aperture.